Shreya Sethia, and today we are going to study social science, history, chapter number 3 of class 8, and we are going to start with hard words. First word is colonial. 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 Um, Colonial rule. Actually, it's a colonial rule. It means the British rule, the duration when British ruled India, that duration is called colonial rule. Then administration. 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 It means act of managing something. So colonial administration. So how British administrated India, or how they managed to capture entire India, that we are going to study in this chapter. Next is structure. 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 Meaning of this word is a form or a composition, right? That is called structure. Then next is intention. 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 Purpose or intent. Next word is rectify. 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 Rectify means a kind of to rectify something or to correct something, correction in something, that is called rectify. Next is Privy Counselor. Councillors. Counselors. It is a kind of a committee which gives confidential advice on state to a state government. Privy Counselors is a committee of a minister or a people who gives a confidential advice to a state government. Next is appoint. 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 To appoint someone or to recruit someone, that is called appoint. Native. 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 Native meaning of this word is a person who born or whose birth took place at a specific place is called native. We are native of India since we took birth, or our born place, birthplace is India. So we are native of India. Next is Charter Act. Charter Act. This act we are going to study in the chapter. Next is Civil Service. SCIVIL. Civil Service. 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 Civil Service. Civil Service is a kind of position or a kind of service which includes IPS, IFS, and IAS. These three positions or these three kinds of services are comes under the civil services. Next is nominated. 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 Nominate, meaning of the word nominate is to suggest someone or to put a name of a person or a thing um, as a representative, that is called nominate. For example, in elections. नेक्स्ट इज सिपॉइस. सिपॉइस हिंदी में इसे सिपाही बोलते हैं. इट्स अ पोजीशन विच was given to Indians during British period, that is sepoys. Next is recruit. Recruits. Recruit. Recruit means to appoint someone or to giving someone job is called recruit. Next is avenue. 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 It means arrival or act of approaching is called avenue. Next is meticulous. 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 In way that shows attention to details. It's a way that shows the attention of a people in detail. और अगर हिंदी में इसका मतलब देखा जाए तो बहुत केयरफुल तरीके से कोई चीज़ करना, सावधानी से, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज एलिजिबल. ELIGIBLE. एलिजिबल. मीनिंग of this word is permitted or qualified. Next is जुडिशरी, जुडिशरी ये हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में भी देखा है. जुडिशरी, जुडिशरी इज organ of a organ of a government which gives judgment on a particular issue, right? There are various courts, and high court, supreme court, district court. So this comes under judiciary. Next is kotwal, KOTWAL, kotwal. And next is darogas, DAROGA is darogas. Next one is thanas, THANAS, thanas. And the last one is chokidar, CHOWKIDAR, chokidar. So kotwal, daroga, thanas and chokidars are the position which was given to Indians during British administration or during colonial rule. These four major positions, the five positions, sorry, sepoys, kotwals, darogas, thanas and chokidars, these five positions were made mainly given to Indians, not more than this.